माधवेति गोविंद दामोदर माधवेति गोविंद दामोदर माधवेति गोविंद दामोदर माधवेति. One day, a popular line from Vrindavan came to my mind, Radhe Radhe Shyam Milade. That is the chorus we sing during the Bhagavatam usually. And this song came to me by His grace. Radhe Radhe Shyam Milade, दुख को हटा दे सुख को बढ़ा दे. मैया दुख को हटा दे सुख को बढ़ा दे. ऐसे दिन दे दे ऐसी रातें दे दे ऐसे दिन दे दे ऐसी रातें दे दे. राधे राधे श्याम मिला दे राधे राधे श्याम मिला दे. तेरे बिना कन्हैया तो मुरली ना बजाए. तेरे बिना कन्हैया तो रास ना रचाए. हमको वो रास की रात दे दे. हमको वो रास की रात दे दे. राधे राधे श्याम मिला दे राधे राधे श्याम मिला दे. तेरे बिना तो ब्रज में एक पत्ता नहीं खिलता. तेरे बिना तो ब्रज में एक पत्ता नहीं खिलता. तेरे बिना सरोवर में कमल नहीं खिलता. तेरे बिना सरोवर में कमल नहीं खिलता. हमको वो ब्रज का निवास दे दे. हमको वो ब्रज का निवास दे दे. राधे राधे श्याम मिला दे राधे राधे श्याम मिला दे. कृष्ण प्रेम की तो जब से तू भई है दीवाने. कृष्ण प्रेम की जब से तू भई है दीवाने. कान्हा तेरे पीछे पीछे आगे राधा रानी. कान्हा तेरे पीछे पीछे आगे राधा रानी. आकर हमरे सोए हुए भाग जगा दे. आकर हमरे सोए हुए भाग जगा दे. राधे राधे श्याम मिला दे. दुख को हटा दे सुख को बढ़ा दे. मैया दुख को हटा दे सुख को बढ़ा दे. ऐसे दिन दे दे ऐसी रातें दे दे ऐसे दिन दे दे ऐसी रातें दे दे. राधे राधे श्याम मिला दे राधे राधे श्याम मिला दे. राधे राधे श्याम मिला दे. जय जय श्री राधे जय जय श्री राधे जय जय श्री राधे श्याम. Today we have to skip a few chapters and go over to a chapter where it's the history of Paundraka. There was a king called Paundraka who pretended that he was Narayana, he was Krishna. He's called the false Vasudeva. Shukadeva starts, Nanda Vrajam Gate Rame. No, very strange. There was a man called Paundraka who was the ruler of a place called Karusha. Foolishly he said, I am the supreme Vasudeva. Vasudeva ahamiti agnya, ignorant fellow, fool. He sends a duta, he sends a messenger to Krishna in Dwaraka. Dutam Krishnaya prahinot. Why I chose this is, look at the mercy of the Lord. Of course, he has come into the world, sadhu paritrana, paritranaya sadhunam, vinashaya cha dushkratam, dharma samsthapanarthaya, sambhavami yuge yuge. That is the main principle of the Lord, to protect the good people and destroy the wicked people. Again and again, I tell my friends, my devotee listeners, he is not a killer. He only kills those who are in the way of ethics, those who are in the way of dharma. Otherwise, please don't think he is a butcher, he is a killer. No, he doesn't enjoy killing. He only wants to save the good people. Incidentally, he destroys the bad people. Tvam Vasudevo Bhagavan Avatirno Jagatpatihi iti prastobhito balair mene atmanam achyutam. He was flattered by people, stupid people. And they told him, you are Vasudeva, Tvam Vasudevo, Bhagavan, Avatirno, Jagatpatihi. When he said, I am Vasudeva, stupid flatterers also said, yes, yes, you are Vasudeva. Iti prastobhito. He became bold and balaihi, ignorant people, mene atmanam achyutam. He thought, I am Achyuta. He thought, I am God. Forgive me, many times people come out with startling questions. When you're a preacher, you must be prepared for the best and the worst question, because we don't know what will be flung at you. Many people say, what do you think about God men? Long back, the Lord inspired me with this, and I think you'll appreciate it. I said, let God be God and man be man. Don't confuse one with the other. All of us have clay feet. Don't deify anybody. There are so many godmen who have disappointed their fellow followers, and they've gone mad. I've seen them. I've seen men and women go mad when their godmen have deserted them. You see it on the TV. When godmen let you down, what happens? That's why I said, let God be God, man be man. Say godly men, don't say godmen. This is my humble suggestion, so that you don't have a heartbreak. Sorry. दूतं च प्राहिणोत्मन्दः कृष्णाय अव्यक्तवर्त्मने द्वारकायां यथा बालो नृपो बालकृतो अबुधः. He is called Abudha. He is a fool. He sends a duta, a messenger, to whom? To Krishna himself, the great one whom you don't understand, the mysterious Krishna, Avyakta Vartmane. We don't know his Janma Karma cha me Divyam, the Lord said. To that Krishna he sends a message. Dwarakayam yatha balo rupo balakruto abudaha. He is the one who is sending this message, and he was acting like an unintelligent, stupid child. दूतस्तु द्वारकाम् एत्य सभायाम् आस्थितं प्रभुं कृष्णं कमलपत्राक्षं राजसन्देशम् अब्रवीत्. Simple language. First time it is not like the usual Bhagavata language. It's like almost like the Ramayana. There came this Duta to Dwaraka, and he came to the court of the Lord. Sabhayam Astitam Prabhu. The Lord is seated on the throne. I told you in that song. गोकुल का छोटू है तू, मथुरा का बाबू है तू, द्वारका का प्रभु तू ही तू, तुझे किस नाम से मैं पुकारूं. Very strange. I had not even thought of this line. Sabhayam astitam prabhum. It is the Prabhu, the word, exact word that I've used in my song. One doesn't remember the Bhagavatam when the song comes. It just comes. I hope you understand. He dictates, I take down. But I take down very obediently. That is the speciality about me. Only thing, he doesn't know when to give me the song. He gives at odd times. Once I got a song in the airport. I didn't have a paper and pencil. I took the boarding card and then snatched the pen of the security guard and wrote out the song. The man is shocked. What do you want the pen for? I said, I want to write a song. Acha, acha, likho, likho, he said. He knew I was mad. Doesn't matter. Whatever he thought of it. Just to tell you, the Lord has his own peculiar ways of dictating when and where he doesn't bother. How does it matter to him? Prabhum, the Lord is the Prabhu. Sitting in Dwaraka, he is known as the Lord because he's the master of the world and he's a king. Other places, he's a small boy. Krishnam Kamala Patraksham Raja Sandesham Abravit. He brings the message of Paundraka And what is the message? Vasudevo avatirno aham eka eva nachaparaha. Look at the audacity of man. This man is telling the Lord, I am Vasudeva. I am Krishna. There's no one else in the world called Krishna. Bhutanam anukampartham tvam tu mityabhidam tyaja. You better give up your false name. You are the false one. I am the authentic one. Mithyabhidam tyaja. Please give up. Abandon your false name. I am the one. Bhutanam anukampartham. I have come to grace people. Yani tu asmat chinhani maudhyat bibharshi satvata tyaktva ehi mam tvam sharanam no chet ehi mamavaham. Let me tell you, either because you've got Shankha, Chakra, Gada, Padma, you better give up all that. Yani to asmat chinhani. They are my chinhas. They are my indication. Maudhyat bibharshi satvata. You fellow, O chief of the Satvata kingdom, that is Sri Krishna's kingdom, the dynasty. Let me tell you, you are bearing all this, and all this is false. Tyaktva. Just finish, just give up all. And mam sharanam, mam tvam sharanam. Come, ehi, come and fall at my feet. You're not prepared to fall at my feet? Then challenge me for a battle. No chet, dehi mama avaham. Come, let me challenge you, or you challenge me in battle. Shri Shukovacha Kathanam Tad Upakarnya Paundrakasya Alpamedhasaha Ugrasena Sabhya Uchchakair Jahasuttada. What happened in the court? Everybody started laughing. Who is this fellow? Everybody thought it was ludicrous. English is a very lovely language. There's a thing called funny, there's a thing called ridiculous. 1 degree higher is ludicrous. It is ludicrous that somebody should say, I am Krishna. You better give up all your chinnas. You are not Krishna. Or you challenge me for a battle. Kathanam tat upakarnya. Seeing this, upakarnya means hearing, this boasting that was going on. Paundrakasya alpamedhasaha. This foolish fellow who had very little wisdom. Ugrasena daya sabhya. All the courtiers, including the great maternal grandfather of the Lord called Ugrasena, Uchchakair Jahasuhu. They laughed aloud. Uvacha dutam Bhagavan parihasa kathasu kathamanu utsrakshate mudha chinnani yaistvam eva vikathyase. He says, yes, I will certainly lose all the weapons which you are boasting of in this way. I will utrakshe. I will give up. What does it mean? I will loosen. Loosen means let loose on you. Prayoga. I will see that my weapons are used on you. That is what he means. Mukham tat apidhayagnya kanka grudra vatayvrataha. Very soon you'll lie dead and your face will be covered with vultures. Birds of prey will be eating your flesh, and you will become the home of dogs. Dogs will eat your flesh. Very soon I will kill you. The Lord also sends a message back. Iti dutastam tamakshepam swamine sarvamaharat krishno pirathamasthaya kashim upajagamaha. Now, after this, after sending this message, when the Duta went, he went and conveyed this message to Paundraka. Krishna also took the Ratha and he started towards Kashi, where he lived in the vicinity of Kashi. He lived. Paundrakopi tat tadudyogam upalabhya maharataha akshauhinibhyam samyukto nischakrama paratdrutam. Very quickly, very puratdrutam. Very quickly, he also left. When he came to know that Krishna was coming towards Kashi, he also left his city with all the Akshauhini Sainyas. So much of preparation was there. How did he look? The jocular part of the Bhagavatam, he had all the insignia of the Lord. What was that? He was carrying the Lord's Shankha, Chakra, and his sword and the club and an imitation bow and the imitation Shivatsamak. He had a imitation Kaustuba gem. He was decorated with a garland of forest flowers. He was dressed in fine yellow silk upper and lower garment. His banner bore the image of Garuda, and he wore a valuable crown and beautiful fish-shaped earrings. Everything like the Lord. Just like the Lord, he was dressed. Kausheye vasasi pite vasanam garudadhvajam amulya maulyabharanam spuran makarakundalam bibhranam kaustubamanim vanamala vibhushitam. Just like the Lord. So the Lord must have been shocked to see somebody like him, no? As soon as he came on to fight. Drishtvatam atmanastulyam vesham kritrivam astitam. I hope you understand. One is the authentic one, the other is the pseudo one. You may try to dress up like Krishna, but you can't become Krishna. There is a lot of difference between Krishna, the authentic, and Krishna, somebody who's dressed up as Krishna. Yatha natam rangagatam vijahasa vrisham harihi. There are so many, forgive me, but there are so many actors who take on the Vesha of Sri Krishna or Sri Rama. And we look at them, they really look nice, but they can't be Krishna. But let me tell you, long back in Andhra, we had N.T. Ramarao. Later on, he became the chief minister of Andhra. But he really looked like Krishna in whichever mythological movie he appeared. And I was in Tirupati as a student. He came for election campaigning. You won't believe the people broke coconuts in front of him. They lit camphor and they did puja and arti because they thought Krishna had come. He looked exactly like, I mean, how you would describe Krishna in the picture. He may look like Krishna, but he can't become Krishna. You understand? And he said, no, 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 I am not Krishna. I am N.T. Ramarao. I'm an actor who wears the Vesha of Krishna. But then people are misled. Now the Lord is looking at him. How does he look at him? As an actor would act the role of Krishna. Yatha natam rangagatam vijahasa drisham harihi. He saw the king get dressed up exactly in imitation of the Lord. Some people like to dress up like the Lord. And at that time, the Lord, the enemies of the Lord attacked him with shulas and all other weapons, with lances and swords and axes and arrows. And what did the Lord do? In one moment, says the Bhagavata, the Lord fiercely struck back. He said, nothing doing. You can't play with me. And he struck back at the army of Paundraka, which consists of elephants, Gaja, Syandana, Vaji, Pattimat. There was cavalry, there was infantry, there was chariot, there was elephant, all of them. All this he struck. How? The Lord tormented his enemies with his club, sword, Sudarshana. Sudarshana has a very important role to play, the chakra, in this particular episode, and arrows. How was this annihilation? As fire annihilates various kinds of creatures at the Yuganta, when a cosmic age comes to an end, there is either a fire or there is a deluge. This is a fire that is sent. He destroyed everything. That is what happened. At that time, says the Bhagavata, Athaha Paundrakam Shauri, Bho Bho Paundrakayat Bhavan, Dutavakyena Mamaha, Tan Astrani Utsrujamite. What did you tell me? Paundraka, Paundraka, listen to me. You sent me a message. And what was the message? That I should loosen my arm, my weapons. Loosen means give up. But he is playing on the word loosen. When he means loosen, he means I'll make use of them against you. That is how it is. Tyajayishye abhidhanam me yatvayagnya prishadhritam. In anger, you have assumed all this. I will certainly take shelter of you if I do not wish to fight with you. Iti kshiptva shitairbhanai virathi kritya paundrakam shiro avrishat Lathangena Vajrena Indro Yathagire. I hope you remember. I don't know. It's a very funny situation. The, the Puranas tell us there was a time, please imagine what confusion it would cause, what catastrophe it would cause if mountains had wings. Long, long ago, mountains had wings. So when they decided to fly, they would fly. We don't mind their flight. Suppose they come and land up in the middle of Charminar. If they land up in Bada Bazaar in Calcutta or Nariman Point in Bombay, what would happen? My dear listeners, that is how they were doing. Whenever they wanted, the mountains would fly and land up somewhere. Indra got very angry. He takes a sword and cuts off the wings of the mountains. Then they decided to be where they are. This is the history of mountains flying and not flying. Bhagavata says, what did he do? Lord said, no, that is enough. You have gone too far now. It is time for me to cut off your head. Shiro avrichat rathangena. Rathanga means chakra. He cut off his head with the Sudarshana chakra, just as Indra lopped off the mountain peak with a thunderbolt weapon. Tatha kashipate kayat shira utkritya patrivihi. Similarly, I forgot to tell you, when Paundraka came to attack the Lord, his friend Kashi Raja also followed him. Now the Lord killed Kashi Raja also. Nepatayat Kashipuryam Padmakosham Ivanilaha. Just as the lotus is uprooted by the wind, a strong wind, that is how it happened. Evam matsarinam hatva Paundrakam sasakham harihi Dwarakam avishat siddhair giyamana kathamritaha. What happened to the Lord? The Lord finished both of them, both Paundraka and his Sasakha. Sasakham means along with his friend Kashi Raja. Both of them he finished and entered Dwaraka. And when he entered Dwaraka, all the great ones, the mystic Siddhas, were singing his glory. Siddhair giyamana kathamritaha. Tava kathamritam Krishna tapta jivanam kavibhiriditam Krishna kalmashapaham sravanamangalam Krishna shrimadatam bhuvi grananti te Krishna bhurida janam. It is then that something else happened. Sa nityam bhagavadhyana pradvasta khila bandhana vibranascha hare rajan swarupam tanmayo abhavat. This is the point that I wanted to highlight to you. The Lord can be approached through hatred also. Dvesha kamat dveshat, says the Saptama Skanda of the Bhagavata. When we start the history of the child Prahlada, Shukadeva is telling us, you can love him as the gopis loved him, kamat dveshat. You can hate him like Chaidyadaya, like Shishupala and others. They hated him and reached him. Paundraka, day in and day out, would stand before the mirror and dress up like Krishna. So let me think of the Urdhva Tilaka of the Krishna, the Makuta of the Krishna, the fish earring of the Krishna, the smile of the Krishna, the Urdhva Tilaka of Krishna, the Kaustubha of Krishna, the Srivatsa of Krishna, the Pitambaras of Krishna, the girdles of Krishna, the anklets of Krishna, the bracelets of Krishna. So Krishna, 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 Krishna. All the time he was thinking, Sa Nityam Bhagavad Dhyana Pradvasta Akhila Bandhana. Because of that, all his karmas were gone. It was only trying to imitate the Lord, and still he was Krishna Maya, no? Krishna Vrata, Krishna Manusmarantaha, thinking of the Lord day, whatever may be the reason, whatever may be the intention, he was full of Krishna. That is the reason why Bibranascha Hare Rajan Swarupam Tanmayo Abhavat. All the time he was wearing. Imagine, you look yourself in the mirror and you see Krishna there. Naturally, you're only meditating on Krishna. You've forgotten yourself. What is yoga? What is meditation? When you dissolve your ego and think of him. This is how he had a yoga of Krishna. He had a yogic meditation of Krishna. He just dissolved into divinity. And that is how Swarupam Rajan Tanmayo Abhavat. He became full of Krishna and he reached the Lord's feet. Shirapatitam alokya Rajadvare Sakundalam Kimidam Kasya Va Vaktram Iti Samshishire Janaha. The people began to doubt. Samshaya, Samshishire. All of them began to doubt. What happened? The Lord had shot at the head of the Raja and sent it with the kundala. You can imagine. Only the Lord can shoot like this. The head goes and falls in the capital. Everybody says in the Rajadwara, the gates of the capital, with the kundala, the head is there. Oh God, whose head is this? Ragnyak Kashipate Jnatva. They recognize this is the head of the Kashi king. So what did they do? The queens, the sons, and all the relatives, all of them, Mahishyaha, Putra Bandavaha, Pauracha, Ha Hata Rajan, Natha, Natheti, Prarudan, all of them started weeping. Oh God, he is gone, he is gone. Sudakshinasya tasya sutakritva samsthavidikpate nihatya pitrihantaram yasyasvam avichatim pituhu. The king's son Sudakshina said, after performing the funeral obsequies, he said, I will take revenge against the one who has killed my father. So he began to worship Lord Mahadeva. Prito avimukte bhagavan tasmai varamadat vibhuhu. There, it's very easy to propitiate Lord Shiva. He appeared before him and said, Sudakshina, Sudakshina, what is the boon you want? And Sudakshina said, Pitrahantra vadhopayam. I want an upaya to kill the killer of my father. Well, naturally, or I think all of us know that when the wrong type of boon is asked, usually augurs, demons appear. This is the gift of magic. I have told you earlier, the gift of miracle and the gift of magic are two things. When there is black magic, naturally, the demoness or demon who arises out of black magic looks terrible. And he says, oh yes, you make up your mind that you'll call the Brahmana, and according to the Atharva Veda, you have a lot of tantric uprayogas which can be made. Tato agniruthita kundat murtiman atibhishanaha. A terrible person appeared from the fire when the sacrifice was performed. It had a beard and it had copper-like hair and beard. Eyes were blazing hot and the face looked frightful, and he had terrible long teeth and eyebrows which were highly arched, and he was licking the corners of his mouth and stood there and having his trishula. What do I do? So abhyadavat vruto bhutair dwarakam pradahan dishaha. He is blazing forth and going towards Dwaraka. When he reached Dwaraka, tam abhichara dahanam ayantam. This is called abhichara. There are two types of yajnas. One is the sattvika yajna and the other is the tantric yajna. When the abhichara yajna takes place, it is for killing somebody or destroying the enemy. This is in vogue for several years now, ever since humanity came to know that there are mantras which can cause black magic to win. That is what was happening. That is how this terrible creature is running towards Dwaraka. All of them, people in Dwaraka said, Krishna, Krishna, Trahi, Trahi, Trilokesha, Vanhe Pradahat Puram. The whole of Dwaraka is burning because this person, this horrible person, is burning us with his blazing Trishula. Shrutva tat jana vaiklavyam, drishtva swanam cha sadvasam. Seeing the anxiety of his people, seeing that they were disturbed, Sharanya Samprahasyaha Ma Bhaishta iti, I am there, Asmi, I am there, iti Asmi, Avita Asmi Aham. Avita means protector. The Lord has always told us, Bhayakrit Bhayanashnaha. The moment we have any problem, we have any fear, we cry out to the Lord. Arta Vishanna Shitilascha Bhita Bhore Shitavyadishu Vartamana Sankirtya Narayana Shabda Matram Vimukta Dukha Sukhino Bhavantu. We have always to pray to the Lord whenever we have any fear, my dear listeners. It happens in life. Sattvic people are attacked by avichara, by black magic. It happens. It is a truth. It is not anything fictitious. There is black magic in the world. Black magic works, but black magic can work only to a particular extent. What happens, you will see. Sarvasyantabhahit sakshi krityam maheshwarim vibuhu vijnayatat vighagartam parshvastham chakramadishat. The Lord said, I am there to protect you. Think of the Lord. Pray to him, and you will find all black magic will be nullified. It is there, but it cannot work beyond a particular limit. After that, you will see it has no effect. Not only does it not have an effect, what effect it has, I'll tell you in 1 minute. Vijnayatat vighatartham parshvastham chakramadishat. The Lord said, wait, wait, wait. I am there to protect you. And he made use of his chakra. This Sudarshana chakra, I love this chakra because that is the chakra that protected Ambarisha. If you remember, Ambarisha Swami, Ambarisha king, was very unhappy when Durvasa got angry with him. He had to drink the Charanamrit, the holy water, because it was time for Dwadashi to come to an end. And there was Durvasa from his jata taking out a terrible fian, a terrible ogress, and sending the Bhuta Pishashi to attack our great man called Ambarisha. Ambarisha is not at all worried because already the Lord has stationed a Sudarshana Chakra in his puja room. By remote control, the Sudarshana starts working. From my childhood, I loved this scene because Dikshitari would look at us children who were sitting on the carpet there and said, Durvasa is running and the chakra is following. Chakram போறது அதுக்கு முன்னாடி அவர் ஓடுறாரு அவர் ஓடுற பின்னாரு chakram போறது. So we almost felt that Durvasa was running and the chakra was following him. It was really humorous to think of Durvasa saying, don't burn me, don't burn me, don't burn me. Now that chakra is now being used. Tat Surya Koti Pratimam Sudarshanam Jajvalyamanam Pralayantanalam Prabham Swatejasakham Kakubhota Rodasi Chakram Mukundastram Athagnimardayat. This was the chakra which was torturing him. How was it? Tat Surya Koti Pratimam Sudarshanam. It is like 1 crore suns. One sun is enough. At midday, you go and stand out, particular blazing heat of midday, you can't stand for a while. Your whole skin is burning. Imagine 1 crore suns burning. Jajvalyamanam, blazing. Pralayanalaprabham. It looks like the fire of the end of Yuga. Swatejasa kham, what with its radiance, it is torturing the entire world with its blazing heat. Mukundastram athagnimardayat. When this Agni created by Sudarshana was torturing the world. Krityanala pratihatasrathangapane astraujasa bhagna mukho nivrittaha varanasim parisametya sudakshinam tam satvik sa ritvik janam samadahat swakruto abhicharaha. It is a little difficult syntax, but just to tell you, as soon as this Sudarshana began to attack, what did that creature do? This is what happens in black magic, I told you. Black magic can work only up to a certain extent. But when it is encountered by grace, it backfires. It kills the person who has sent it. That is what happened. I tell people, oh yes, you try black magic, but don't worry, you will have to suffer thereafter. Whatever you think that you are clever, you have spent money on the magician, and you are gone to the smashana and you have done all types of tricks to destroy somebody, out of hatred we do it. There is nothing to hate in this world. All of us are going away from this world one day. Musafir khana hai. Why hate anybody? Why do you want to destroy anybody? But some people take pleasure. They spend all their life and money only on black magic. God bless them. Because they will die a dog's death, as they call it. This black magic will backfire. And what did this creature do? It backfired and killed Sudakshina. It killed the Brahmins who had performed. Ritsa Ritvik Janam Samadahat Swakruto Abhicharaha. That he who had done this Abhichara, this black magic, that Sudakshina was burned, his priests were burned, everything was burnt. Chakram cha Vishnu tadanu pravishtam Varanasim sattap savhalayapam apanam sagopa puratalaka koshta sankula sakosha hasti ashva rathan annashalinim. Very strange. This Vishnu's disc decided, you came to burn Dwaraka, I will burn Kashi. So what did this terrible Sudarshana do? It burnt all the porticos, all the marketplaces, all the palaces, all the gateways, all the towers, all the godowns, all the treasuries, all the buildings which had elephants, horses, chariots, grains, everything. So the entire Kashi was destroyed. Dagdhva Varanasim Sarvam Vishnu's Chakram Sudarshanam Bhuya Parshvam Upatishtat Krishnasya Aklishta Karmanaha. Aklishta Karmanaha means you don't understand his ways. Inscrutable are his ways, mysterious are his ways. When this chakra had finished all its work, it came back to the Lord. That is how it is. It came back to its original position from where it had gone. Those who listen to this history of Paundraka, yayenam shravayen martya uttama shloka vikramam samahito va shunuyat sarva papai pramuchyate. He who speaks about this history of Sudarshana, he who listens to it with great devotion, all his sins are destroyed. This is the 66th chapter of the 10th canto, which tells you about Paundraka, who pretended to be the false Vasudeva. The next episode I will take up for consideration is Naradji's confusion. I always tell people, difficult to manage one wife. Imagine 16,000 wives. The Lord had married 16,000 queens, so many jivatmas. How did the Lord test Naradji and how did he convince him that he is the master of the world will be the next episode, God willing. May the Lord fulfill all your dharmic desires. Please bless me as long as I live. Let me carry this message of grace and faith wherever I go. Yatra Yogeshwara Krishna, Yatra Partho Dhanurdharaha, Tatra Shri Vijayo Bhutir Dhruvani Tirmati. Narayana, 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 Bolo Narayana, 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 Krishna Narayana, 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 Satya Narayana, Narayana, Narayana. Yatra Yogeshwara Krishna, Yatra Partho Dhanurdharaha, Tatra Shri Vijayo Bhutir Dhruvani Tirmatir Mama. God willing, we meet again tomorrow at 7.